fat of a 1. Alright, no molt. So I was looking for the fat under the feathers. I don't know, some people came later. So feel free to ask questions as you go. Don't let these guys monopolize the information. Looks like 92? 92. See, in certain times of year, you see these feathers here? See how they have a gray edge to them?
Mm-hmm.
So, and also these are rounded off feathers. A younger bird has a pointed feather right there, these little tiny feathers. So that's, as they age, they molt those feathers out and they get in adult feathers. So that's how you can tell how old they are. No, they're not damaged. No. Oh, these here? No, that's, well, it's damaged because I've been messing with him. He's been in a bag for 20 minutes. But when you see a bird preening, you know, taking its beak like that, what it's doing is it's reconnecting the feathers. They'll be rubbing oil all over their feathers to waterproof them. So, but I don't know if you've ever looked at a feather underneath a microscope